If you are wondering what are the dimensions of Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 or how big is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then let me quickly share that information with you. So the width or height, depending which way you're looking at it, of the Galaxy Tab A11 is 211 millimeters or 8.31 inches. The height is 124.7 millimeters or 4.91 inches, and the depth or thickness of the device is 8 millimeters or 0.31 inches. The weight is 335 grams or 337 grams, depending if you actually have the cellular model or not, which means that it is slightly below 12 ounces. Now, the screen is LCD with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and the size of the screen is 8.7 inches. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.